Hi Jay, very nice. I can see that you are really working nicely and cutting properly.
Thank you, chef, for teaching me how to cut properly.
After you finish cutting, do remember to clean and sanitize the knife properly.
Why is sanitizing the knife important? I thought since I wash the knife, it should be fine.
Sanitizing is important because it is a way to control food cross-contamination. The chemicals in the sanitizer solution will kill any bacteria that may be there on the knife. Washing alone cannot kill them. In order to sanitize your knife, you need to first wash the knife properly. Wash the knife carefully and scrub it gently with little soap solution. Remember to wash from the blunt side of the knife. I hope you know why to clean from the blunt side.
Yes, chef, very nicely. So that I do not cut my finger again.
After you have washed the knife carefully, dip it in the container with sanitizer. Make sure that the sanitizer solution is clean and at proper strength. Keep it there for at least 30 seconds. If you need to use the knife again, rinse it once under running water before using the knife.
Should we rinse it so that the sanitizer does not get into food?
Yes, you were correct.
Okay, so thank you for teaching me how to sanitize the knife properly, chef. I learned that it is important to wash and sanitize the knife after every use to prevent cross-contamination. Well, that was a new thing I learned today. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to go along this learning journey with me.
As usual, to continue learning new skills and gain knowledge in the hotel industry, do visit clarifiedbetter.com, where you can join any of the more than 50 courses for the hotel professional.